In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide all of your Facebook posts at once. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos, and also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let us begin now. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your Facebook. Now as you can see, I've opened up my Facebook, and if I go to my profile, you can see all of the posts right here. Now what I want to do is I want to hide each and every one of this post. So to do that, I'll have to just tap on this three dots right besides the edit profile option. Now after I tap there, you'll see a lot of options right here. You'll need to go to activity log. Now when you are on activity log, just tap on public post right here, and when you tap on it, you'll see all of your posts option right here. Now select all. I just have 2 posts, so it's only showing me 2 of my posts. So when I do this, now what you can do is tap on this 3 dots again, that is right besides trash. Tap on it, and there you will see change audience. Tap on change audience, tap on change audience again, and there you can see different options. Now if you select public, anyone on Facebook will be able to view your post. If you tap on friends, only your Facebook friends will be able to view your posts. And if you tap on only me, no one but you will be able to view your post. That is basically like hiding each and every one of your posts from everyone else. So that is basically how you do it, guys. All you need to do is just change your audience. So that is all for the video, guys. That is how you do it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to hit the like button, and bye bye, take care.